Hello everyone, welcome back to another topic on the e-filing, and today's topic is regarding indexing. The reason I'm giving a briefing prior to starting with how to go about in the video, is because there were two videos which were released earlier. One was roughly around an hour long, which had something around 13 to 18 chapters. The second one is somewhere around 26 minutes long. So what I want to say by mentioning these two time durations is that as time passes by, we are refining the filing as much as possible. On the earlier stages, rather the 1 hour long video covers some major topics such as which applications to use for scanning, how to make the grass payment, how to upload your pleadings, how to take oath, and some similar topics. So now I would put some links on the I button over here which you can see. So the first video, use it for some relevant topics or important topics that have been taught in that video. And then I would request you to come to the second video, which was the 26 minutes video. That link also I'll provide on the I button over here. So once you can check the subsequent video, if you can check that, you can see that I have used a separate PDF software, or rather a separate web engine, to ensure that how to split a PDF into parts, how to convert it into OCR, and how to go with the indexing. So some part which I have mentioned uh, back then was related to indexing, was related to sequence. Now one thing I would like to clear out over here is that sequence as such is not important, but the PDF being into six different parts or five different parts, I mean, including or excluding the challan, you can just relate to the video. That is important. For example, there must be a petition with supporting affidavit, there must be a permission application to appoint advocate, there must be a wakalatnama, there must be list of documents, there must be a memo of address. Challan as such has to be uploaded separately. But I just told you a sequence right now, but I'm still telling you, even if you upload everything in a single sequence, and assuming the department raises an objection in terms of some point remaining off in the petition or some part not remaining present in the petition, in that event, what will you do? You will delete the PDF, you will edit the PDF, you will re-upload it, which will actually change the sequence entirely. So do not worry about the sequence right now, just worry about the number of PDFs that are to be uploaded. I'll once again rephrase everything and tell you that use each and every video uploaded earlier to learn specific parts which are shown in that video. For example, the grass payment portal, for example, the first video shows some topics which I've already said. The second video shows some topics, and as far as if you relate everything to the first video, then we were of the habit of uploading the entire PDF as one, which was roughly 50 pages, 100 pages compressed into lesser than 20 MB. This was how we proceeded. As things evolved, as we learned a little more, we came into splitting the PDFs into more parts so that it does not take the system too much time to upload a video, or sorry, to upload the pleadings, I would say. Or rather, and I mentioned the term video because I'll come to that part also. So now when you go to these aspects of how things are being done in that event, you'll understand that every video is a fresh learning experience, and as you get into it, things become easier and easier as you progress. So I'll move ahead onto the topic of how to index documents, but kindly I'm requesting every lawyer who wishes to file a case in the Bandra Family Court, Mumbai, to go through the earlier two videos to learn parts and important topics on those videos. But this video, I would suggest you only use it for learning indexing. Okay, so let us move ahead and I'll show you how to get on with the indexing. Now we head on to the part of indexing. So for indexing, I have already made a dummy case, ABC versus XYZ. So you can just check this case. You can check the number of PDFs. I have again told you that there is no requirement of what you say the sequence to be proper, but the number of PDFs which are uploaded separately after splitting is to be done effectively. The challan is shown here. I mean, I've just uploaded these demo files for you, but there are six separate PDFs. So you can see that, including the challan. Eventually, there might not be any challan because, of course, the code fee wallet will be integrated. So there will be no need to upload a separate challan. So now we go on to indexing, and now I'll show you the difference which was shown in the second video and the current indexing, which is going to be little more progressive towards what we are doing. So now let us talk about the earlier indexing that used to be done. So the earlier indexing and splitting as per the 26-minute video was somewhere where the petition was there with the supporting affidavit. Keep a note of whatever I am saying right now. It is from, let us see, this is entirely numbered 1, 2. So now till page number 6, I think we have the petition. On 7, we have permission to appoint. On 8, we have wakalatnama. 9, we have the first page of the list of documents, which used to be an index. 4 items, page numbers to page numbers. So page number 9, 10, we have the marriage. Page number 9 is the first page, 10 is the marriage card, 11 is the photo, 12 is the Aadhaar card, 13 is the leave and license agreement. I've added additional documents to show you the difficulties and the improvements in terms of indexing. Okay, the difficulties which we will face if you follow the earlier indexing, and the ease that you will face, or the ease that you will enjoy as per the new indexing. So from page number 9 it started, list of documents. We have 4 documents: marriage card, marriage photo, Aadhaar card, leave and license agreement, and for the moment I've even incorporated a single document at page number 18 of this PDF as police complaint. So 18 to 20, 18 to 20. Okay, so therefore we have page number 9 to 20 as our list of documents. So now I'll show you the difference which is there between the earlier indexing and the current indexing. So the earlier and one request for every advocate who's filing list of documents is that please write the date of the list of documents, because once you start e-filing a case, then you will be uploading the list of uploading further documents as per the situation and circumstances of the case. Everything would be done online. So if you upload 4 PDFs during the entire course of maybe a year, let us assume, and every file is named as list of documents, then it will be difficult for you to tell the presiding officer or the court that this document is what I am relying upon. So kindly write a small date. For example, I'm uploading this video today, so I've written 24/1/24, and I've mentioned this file as the earlier video so that it is easy for you to also check into it. So now you know that the petition was page number 1 to 6. How to add this basic index is already shown in the earlier video. Now then the permission application was page number 7. Let us just add permission application. Just for the sake of your understanding, I am adding the index over here. Permission application is added. Wakalatnama. Now, as we all know, the list of documents is page number 9 to page number 19. Now I'll add the index as we used to add it earlier in the 26-minute video, keeping that in reference. Now here we have list of documents index. It started at page number 9, that first page, and ended at page number 9. For reference, I'll open the PDF and show it to you once again. This is, you can just see the page number 9 is shown here. Okay, so list of document index page started at page number 9. You add index, and page number 10 is the marriage card. Let us assume we write it at exhibit A, marriage card. We number it as 10 to 10. Then we number the next document as the marriage photo, if I'm not wrong. Exhibit B, marriage photo, 11 to 11. Exhibit C, Aadhaar card. We number it as 12 to 12. Exhibit D was the leave and license agreement. Leave and license. I'm just writing it for the reference. I hope you can understand. So now here we came up till page number 12. If I'm not wrong, 13 to 17 would be the leave and license agreement, because let me just check it one more time. Yes, we start leave and license at 13, and it is there till page number 17. Yes, I'll just add it once again. Page number 13 to page number 17 is the leave and license agreement, and then we go to the exhibit E, police complaint, and here we will write it as 18 to 20. Okay, now this was the type of indexing which was shown earlier. I'll add the memo of address also, just to be on the safer side, that everyone knows that everything is numbered as per the earlier system. Memo address, this becomes 21 to 21. Of course, I need not say, if you follow the earlier video, you can also incorporate the interim application as the last PDF. Sequencing is still not important, but for filing, these many PDFs are important. Uh, just to revise you all these things, okay? Just to, refresh your memory while we are doing these things. So now you can see here we have page number 9 to page number 20 all indexed. Now if you tell the judge, or if the presiding officer tells you, I want to see the marriage photo, or let us assume they say that I want to see the leave and license agreement, if they click on view, which is 13 to 17, which page directly opens? It opens page number, internal page number 19, which we had numbered. So it is opening this page. Can you understand? It is opening 18, 19, 20, somewhere around these pages, because here you can see 19, here you can see 20, here you can see 18. Now if you want to again open the police complaint, or rather let us assume you want to open the Aadhaar card, which is the internal page number 12, you click on view, and did you get page number 12? No, you got page number 19 once again on the right hand side. Please keep a good look at it. So now what I wanted to tell you was, indexing as per the continuous numbering does not work on the e-courts e-filing system, at least the not at least for the trial court so far. So how can you ensure that the indexing is done in such a manner that when you click on the internal indexing page, you can directly jump onto the said page, which is easier for the presiding officer to also go into? Because sometimes while arguing, you might say, Your Honor, page number 13 to 17 of my exhibit, page number 13 to 17 is the leave and license agreement at exhibit D. The court clicks on that link, and the link opens of page number 19. Then you will say, no, no, sir, it is the PDF page number 13. So now, can you just understand how much confusion this kind of indexing can create? Now, yes, this was mentioned on the earlier video because we all were preferring to give it a continuous numbering. So now we abolish this type of indexing in which we number everything continuously, and we move on to the refined method of indexing a document, which is much easier and much compatible to the systems that the presiding officers, the court, the department, everyone is doing, and also easier for us. So let us get on to that aspect right now. Okay. Now I'll teach you the better way to index, the proper way to index fusion. First of all, you delete these page numbers wherever you have incorporated it. And one thing which you have to delete is the index which is separately used for a list of documents. In our code, we have already gone through the steps where we have deleted the Roznama, gist of prayers, index, docket, and synopsis. So why did we delete the index which was there earlier? Of course, we deleted that because the e-filing system itself provides us for a separate index. So right now, we will delete the page numbers and we'll delete the list of documents index page. In my sense, I believe that you have removed the page numbers. You have removed the first page of the list of documents, which was a separate index for the list of documents. And now we move ahead to see your split PDFs are remaining to be indexed. Okay, now your situation in front of you should be in such a way that you must have all the PDFs. I'll just show it on the screen right now. I'll show it on the screen without numbering it in any sequence, because the sequence need not matter right now, but the PDFs which are to be incorporated, those do matter. So I hope that those separate PDFs, irrespective of the sequence, are being displayed on the screen right now. So now these are the PDFs, make a note of it. We go to the indexing system. So in the indexing system, we have, I'll delete this and I'll reincorporate it. In the indexing system, we would have all those separate PDFs over here. Okay. How to index, which I have been repeatedly saying, mark my words, or rather take a, take keen note of what I'm trying to say. Indexing shall be done for the PDF in correspondence to how many pages that specific PDF contains. Indexing shall be done corresponding to the number of the pages which that specific PDF contains. Now you go to petition with supporting affidavit and you go to, for example, over here you can see the PDF is of 6 pages. How will you index it? You will write over here petition with supporting affidavit, page number 1 to 6. You can index it. Okay. Second thing that I have to tell you is that we will no longer be putting an index for a single page PDF that is uploaded separately. We will no longer be putting an index for a single page PDF which is uploaded separately, because the department can view the single page PDF as it is. There is no need to index it because there is no need of any navigation within the same page. Okay, navigation as in the department might have to read it, but they don't have to navigate to separate pages. For further explaining the aspect that indexing is required wherever a navigation is required. Okay, now we go to, now when I mention this statement over here, you can easily understand that permission to appoint is generally a one-page PDF, need not be numbered. Wakalatnama is a one-page PDF, need not be numbered. Memo of address is again a one-page PDF which need not be numbered. Do not look into the exact file that I've uploaded on the right side, because this is just for your basic understanding. If it runs into a PDF which is of multiple pages, you better index it so that it is easier for you to navigate during the stage of arguments. It is easier for the department to navigate to a certain page which you want the department to look into. Okay. Now, the only part that remains to index is list of documents. So you click on list of documents PDF, and now you can notice here the first page of the list of document is not there. It directly starts from your first exhibit. So you can add index over here. You can write exhibit A, or rather I'll just rephrase it or look into it. This PDF list of documents is of 11 pages. So how will you, what will be your maximum numbering towards this PDF? It will only fall under a range of 11 pages only. Okay. So therefore you go to the list of document PDF, you click on add index, exhibit A, we have written it as marriage card. It will be from page number 1 to 1. Exhibit B is marriage photo, page number 2 to 2, 2 to 2 of the 11 page PDF. Please make a note of it. Exhibit C, Aadhaar card, page number 3 to 3. Now now people might be wondering, if this is a single page PDF, then why am I numbering? Understand one thing, this is a 11 page PDF submitted directly and not a single page PDF, and those 11 pages contain some bifurcation within them. So I personally call it a term as internal indexing. So here we have 1, 2, you have seen Aadhaar card page number 3. Now you can see the leave and license agreement. I've kept it at page number 4, and we are taking it till page number 8. So we'll write it over here as exhibit D, leave and license. We put it the number as page number 4 to 8, and then we go to page number 9. I've mentioned it as police complaint, which would be exhibit E. So 9 to 11 is the police complaint. I again click on add index over here. I click on exhibit E. I write exhibit E, police complaint, and I write the page numbers, page number 9 to 11. Okay. So now many must be wondering that why such an indexing is required and how the navigation, what, why is this new mode actually required? Now, for example, if the department or if the presiding officer wants to see directly your Aadhaar card, or let us assume they directly want to see the leave and license agreement, they can click on this part and they can click on view. And the moment they click on view, directly the page number 4 of the PDF is open, and you can see the leave and license agreement over here. Similarly, if they directly want to open the police complaint, they can click on page number 9 to 11, and page number 9 of the PDF opens. This easy navigation is what I am trying to explain, which was not covered earlier because, of course, As I've said earlier, as time grows by, the topics will reduce, the teachings will reduce because people are getting habituated to file it online. To sum it up, we'll go on to the next section of the video. So coming to this last part, we would finally conclude whatever we have done. So we have learned rather. Use the first video to learn how to make grass payments, how to specifically do data entry, which is a mistake which has been committed by many these days, and how to do data entry, how to upload pleadings, how to verify those pleadings, how to upload an oath, how to compress a PDF. Of course, till compression, you can stick to that video. The subsequent video, the 26-minute video which I was talking about, you can use that video to learn how to split a PDF, how to convert it into an OCR, then split the PDF. So, and of course, OCR is mandatory, which was not explained in the first video itself. The reason being, we were in a learning process. Slowly and gradually, such tutorials will be provided so that you can learn the latest upgrade into it. So the second video you will be learning how to split a PDF, how to OCR a PDF, how to split it into separate parts, how to upload these separate parts, and and do not learn how to index from that video. Learn till the stage of splitting from the second video, but learn how to index it from this video itself. Okay, so I think I've covered most of the part here, but as a highlight, I would again show it before this screen. I would type it out somewhere that indexing is to be done corresponding to the number of pages that specific PDF has. It becomes easier for the presiding officer, for you, and also for the department to navigate while they check the petition, or also at the moment when you tell the court that I want this honorable court to navigate to the list of documents. So first the judge will click onto the PDF, then the court will ask you on which page number do you want me to go, or which section of the page do you want me to go. So you can openly say that I want my lord to go to page number 28, which will be the exact page of the PDF and also the indexing which you have done. So there will be no confusing element as such. Okay. So I hope this video helps. Take it in a good spirit, try to learn it, because now while actually teaching indexing, we have also abolished the part of numbering pages. We have also abolished or deleted the first page of the list of documents, or rather the index page of the list of documents. Coupled with, we have also we have also gone a step ahead and we have said that single separate page PDF need not be indexed. So no wakalatnama to be indexed, no memorandum of address to be indexed, no no permission to appoint application to be indexed, because it is technically most of the time a single page PDF. And of course, with these three things being abolished, things will seem easier for you. And I hope you take this video in the most positive sense as possible. And I'll be glad to upload more videos as and when there are more developments coming ahead. Okay. Thank you very much for watching and keep learning.